How to add story highlights on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back. So if you want to add story highlights within your Facebook account, first off go into the top right and then go into settings and privacy. Then you're going to go into settings over here. Then you're going to scroll down, and when you scroll down you will find your archives within reels and stories. So you're going to go into stories over here and then select archiving your stories. You're going to turn this on so your stories can be archived. Now, once you've done that, you're going to proceed and go back into Facebook and post your story as you would. So I'm going to click on create story, and I'm just going to create a photo story, and I'm just going to be using this photo over here. Click on share to story like so. Then on the top, I have my gearbox icon, and I can choose the story privacy as well. Once I've selected my story, I can click on this, click on view story, and then my story will be posted. Now I can click on the top right, and then after that we can share the story, and from your mobile device you're just going to heart the story that you have posted, and then you're able to have your own story archive. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.